Okay, so let's say you have a photography freelance business or a videography freelance business, and you're trying to level up. You're trying to up your professionalism. Well, one of the first things you need to do is build a place where people can book your services, right? Once you reach a certain point, you start to realize that you're capped at what you can actually make in this business. And what you can start to do is start making yourself look a lot more professional. And how you do that is by finding a booking site. What I currently use and started using from the jump was Square. The dope thing about Square is that they allow you to be able to have a booking site, an invoice system, and so much more. But those are the two things I want to talk about today. With the booking site, what it allows you to do, it allows you to create a nice looking page to where if people go to your Instagram, if you're just using that, or your website, and they can book you and your services. Now, what that does, it allows you to stop receiving those DMs and messages that say, hey, what's your rate? What's your rate? What's your rate? Then it can allow you to kind of slow down that process. My personal opinion is never to let anybody know what your rate is just from a message that says, hey, what's your rate? You need to get more information, because if you just tell somebody, hey, my video rate is $100, then they don't even know if the type of video, and you don't even know what type of content you're making. You're just committing to a random number just because you think that's what they want to hear. But in all reality, you need more information. So take the time to slow down, set up a meeting, talk to the person, start to ask questions, figure out what it is that they need, so then that you can build a package that serves their needs. But like I said, getting that booking site is the first step. Once you get your booking site, then you can start building price lists and different things like that. But we'll get into that into a later video. So I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.